Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the exact target, a full URL, a mail toe, or a page fragment. This matters because browsers handle each differently. Once done, select the visible text or image you want to use as your link and choose descriptive words so screen readers can interpret it. Now decide your method. HTML anchor tags in code, your content management system's link button, or a markdown shortcut. Then proceed to insert the target immediately to avoid broken links later. You now create the actual link. In HTML type a href equals URL anchor text /a, or paste the URL into your editor's link dialog. Make a conscious choice about opening behavior, same tab versus new tab, using target equals blank when needed, and add rel equals newpener for security when opening new tabs. Also include a title or area label to clarify purpose for assistive tech. This helps users and search engines understand why the link exists, improving usability and indexing. You finish by thoroughly testing the link. Click it across browsers and devices to confirm it reaches the intended destination and uses the correct protocol. If you encounter a broken link, check for mixed content issues, HTTP versus HTTPS, and redirect loops that send users astray. When something fails, inspect the href for typos or URL encoding problems, review server redirects, and use browser console and network tools to trace the request. Make fixes, then retest until the link behaves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.